Me tell you, I propose a Dabamasi.
First of all, UEFA a bedroom maybe Omompegiani Infantino as him as the FIFA president. A well documented. And FISA issue him in the buy. And for some years now, UEFA as a block of FIFA, Omo Haide said they don't like Gianni Infantino as a FIFA president. Now, because UEFA, Europe, na rich, omona eba football hun sensem omoya kendifo ni ntino. Se one way they will influence a lot of your thoughts about FIFA politics for you to sway way. Because in Semibai, where will you read your most trusted articles to know what is happening from? You read it from England. So when reading it from BBC, you read it from Sky, and you read it from their Athletic and Amewa. So we will be our French, you read it from L'Equipe. Omuni na so write-ups no. Influenced by the UEFA region and what they believe in. Yempejani Infantino asem. Only the FIFA seni epeno. Wa open FIFA doors no too wide open for other people to come in dodo. Enti ye feeling no. It is well documented. Now, let me give you an understanding of what Gianni Infantino is proposing. A film recently, see a Kobo World Cup. Rich, Yenton TV right. See a ton. Yenton partners licensing. Yeton. Yenton tickets. Yeton. Enti Gianni Infantino say, per FIFA na advisors are JP Morgan kahun, Open Economics kahun, any consultants are money omu ye adwuma on the financial and commercial aspect of FIFA. Abekachio or no, any mpanyinfo say, look, sa commercial aspect of World Cup na yankasankasa ni yeye no. Si yakase ye bie akonya ato ho na companies are omo sika embra as partners to deal with the commercial aspect of your World Cup na ebia ye betimi nya sika bebre dia film enti mo ya adwene nko. Now what FIFA is proposing is okay, so sadia any ye ti company of FIFA mu na company no you friend the FIFA Forward Enterprise, a company within FIFA. FIFA company, FIFA Nidia. Yet a company now. 80% shares of the company belongs to Yen FIFA. Na sani ebeya ebetimi abia yakonyama investors do musika abahye muntino. Ni aton 20% stake of sa company no. Ni ye dia law investors na omudo musika aba be ra company nimu. So omudo musika be ra company nimu a. Since 2016, your FIFA Forward project member associations apply ba na omache project on beso omo ye ewo omo football mu ewo omo country na FIFA omo sika na omo de aye enti sa FIFA Forward project no already no ye masika wo ho emprempren sika member association betimi age within 4 years is around $8 million. And ye sa FIFA Forward project no si yetimi ton 20% of the FIFA Forward enterprise na isika ba ye be increase from 8 million no anka sa menke de ko 10 ye betim ka de ko 20 na ye wia aside the FIFA forward project, Yasanya FIFA fast forward project, where we will give every member association $20 million. After someone now in the next 4 years, more fun developing football. Rich, what is bad about this? Me those who are pointing say Boni bi ohono. Boni ni e bad ya. Or are we being influenced by the UEFA writers in your article? They are trying to bring politics. But where is the politics in this? And you can sell FIFA. And don't you sell tickets? Why aren't you selling World Cup tickets? Above $5,000 to people to come and watch football? Fans now who play on their emotion to say, and the FIFA belongs to their fans. You were selling tickets to them, exorbitant prices to come and watch the game they love. I don't get where that argument is coming from. There is no logic in what they are saying. Logic be any. Yet Kroma. Have you tell us at Spain? Spanish La Liga for didn't they approve Barca Villarreal to go Yankobo Abuchiri? No, even not for commercial purposes. Let's go through every member association with UEFA. In the last 5 years, Yentimin catalog event football or take it to the golf just to make money.
You can't discuss it. Say, it is a Barcelona. Na Barcelona eco fine and person hear me team Barcelona. Ya kobo bonu obi ko me den ma travel ko esa game.
Oh,
mo se esika.
Rich.
Je benye sika dia.
Rich.
15 don't want to nkasa mfa. What's no more Spain?
I don't even understand the UEFA politics. No, Rich. Per the proposal no. Say at FIFA forward enterprise now. The office of the FIFA president becomes the board chairman of the company. Whether a Gianni Infantino, whether a no BM no ho, do a FIFA president, will chair the board. I no credit. Maybe you are interested in some transparency issues. But Rich, the concept is different from the governance of the concept. Say about governance issues are. Of course, we are one association. We can look at the nitty-gritties of it. Now, making sure say BBR than but the general concept of say commercializing the game, raising more money for member associations, what is wrong with that? And then they're wrong with that. Now, according to research, almost the 20%, 21% stake, is going to be sold to Thrive Eternal. Thrive Eternal is a member group of the Thrive Capital Fund, and the founder of it is Joshua Kushner. Joshua Kushner is the junior brother of Trump, the son-in-law. Where from that link? Look,
Donald Trump who boom.
Rich. We are talking about a legal entity company. Legal entity company. For more corporate laws, companies are registered as a legal entity. Forget about the individuals, Do they have the capacity to partner FIFA in this enterprise? Yes, we move. We so move. Rich, and as a member association, say the medical church has FIFA Forward Project started 2016. We are in 2026. Say ultimately, make a case for FIFA Forward Project approval. In 4 years, you get 8 million. Rich, say over free 8 million. Say proposal went by now the addition was going to be 2 million. So you are going to move from 8 million to 10. Rich, if you can move from 10 to 40,
that is huge.
Chrono. You just one product. I want the potential to be commercialized. And I maximize the so that people come and invest in Adiano because why Madina are attractive. Now my problem is say the member association 211 no rich and you omo FIFA at a Cuba time and gradually omo work up na ya akono na work up ya akono na one do de na eba na obi si o ma ya de na mana ya akono tim be se bi dim sika be sem na me mamu mo sika bonini awe hefa. Look, for some of us, yeah, my UEFA for tire or more Gianni Infantino. And draw articles for us to read and paint the project black. Sebi. The proposal and bo be acronym. Sebi. The proposal has not breached any huge financial BBR. So more sad they should bring it, let us read. But to invite investors there. Now, Rich, if you speak against this proposal, you're from a level. CCI the Ghana Premier League. Ebe catch you and say, your Premier League na ye bono. Ye nya investors are almost omudo kaba be right Premier League in him. And then they will take 20% of the commercial aspect of running your league, you know. And say eba bibi to say yeah to media rights. Eba bibi to say yeah pay sponsorship. Eba bibi to say yeah to tickets for FIFA programs whether I'm banning money you know. Almost omo be partner yen. Na omo 20% stake inside commercialization, you know. Now in return, they are giving us money. Ebetimi yama kotoko. Mediama, House of Folk, Bechem, Ediana, and all the Premier League clubs, you know, obi $5 million per season. Rich, who will be against it? Who, in his right senses, will say that is not a good deal? It is the same thing, and it goes to FIFA. Forget about the politics. It is the same thing, and it goes. Now, Rich. Say areas na yet no obia ni the volume of ne hawo ebia to the DFB or Germany. Rich, they don't really need money.
As well as I catch the garbage from there, George, no.
Ebia to the English FA, they have their money. Yeah. But to the Zambian Football Association, to the Ghana Football Association, Rich, yeah, your problem is different from what here. We must not think like them. No. Yeah, DNA tiare. Ebi omo yam na ya omo ya. Omo nya translate be wi a omo ko. Yeah, para no kwa ya kwa etini ensolve. Enti yentimi fe ya nkototo mofo no, and we will not allow them to influence us with their minds. Ya dwene different. So far as yen infractions bia say a border on financial irregularities, there's no corruption found. Now the governance of now when we say you were making a point, say, are we not going to give these people influence in our game? I have already told you the enterprise is 80% owned by FIFA, 20% owned by investors on Emancipation. Rich said your company now 80%, now 20%. Who controls it? Yeah. The chairman of that enterprise board is left for the office of the FIFA president. Who then controls that thing? And then that if someone want to they will come and have influence and they will tell us what to do. It is not true. The majority stake of that company will still belong to FIFA. And the president of FIFA will still remain the chairman of that enterprise. So the medical can reach. There is no institution. There is no renovation. Any one or two ups and downs. So we are going to deal with it. But those are governance issues. Yet multimedia. And that is why I want to meet them and OBC. If you read the history of this company, Rich, because it started, Onope as the owner and founder and BBR. Oh yeah, Jumana Konenuna. Rich. There were people who were interested to invest. In the beginning, he didn't allow them. But at a point where he was zooming into TV, into Adum TV, Joy News TV, they give boss this animal. Who said the potential of the business, everything a blow to bring in more cash, but on your capital injection to bring in that more cash. Rich, and then multimedia have South African partners that sits as shareholders of the company. The company that started with one man, today, it is not owned by only Orakosichum. Yeah. So, if that principle is what you work in within who framework, why will you be against it if someone is doing it somewhere? Each eto de bia. Unkwa otwaden otwade na udi twakwan na. Uduru ba bi no obi say mamman sell. Na me so me nso abi na wokomunjo na ni bako no ni ubone a. There is nothing wrong about what Gianni Infantino has proposed. September 19th, 52 days for member associations
to decide.
UEFA for the omam yen hu bi free badada.
Is a yes in Sudan one.
Yeah, but work.
CONCACAF.
Listen, I am re. And sir, AFC for the Omwa Jimmy, Omwa Jimmy. These are political stories from the Europe.
Okay.
China didn't descend.
Okay.
Saka for some meeting and I'm one. Asia for a meeting. Obiabe meeting. Omu free meeting ni muba. The Brock decision will be known for everybody to know. And the UEFA for this one say, omucho time. The blocks of FIFA can for no our majority of the numbers. Rich, when are Africans going to emancipate ourselves from this mental slavery? Where people think say a white man's thinking is the best. Yeah, yes, ka. Obiso be me esika. Yeah, Japade no oton bi dia me esika. Ne dia develop ye ho. Now many kojo ade men say adwen. The biggest problem with all this NSA, Rich, since 2016, say Ghana FIFA Forward project now, Sika ya and what you have done with it, and what you have done with it, everybody will have problems with it. And to say, your man get one import the young who the other our worry must be what the FFE and proposing to do with those monies. That should be where we should be pointing. We can't block the money from coming, but we should concentrate on telling FFE say no matter who will be the president then, no matter who among the ESCO members, no matter who they will be in charge of the money. Rich,
so can buy the
say who say 40 million. Abeto FFE account to develop the game. Rich, who significant improvement physically, empirically with the development of the Ghana football. There, Rich, and not there. But we will never block that money from coming to the Ghana Football Association.
Insurance of 4.5 messages kakrana Jude also brem na yeni enkomono emfa ento aso